Starting a business can require a lot of capital, whether it's for equipment, inventory, marketing, or hiring employees. But finding a loan with low interest rates can be challenging, especially for startups. The good news is that there are several lenders and programs that offer business loans with competitive interest rates and flexible terms. In this video, we're going to look at 3 of the best business loans for startups in 2026. The first option is the SBA 7A loan. This is one of the most popular small business loan programs in the United States. It's backed by the government through the U.S. Small Business Administration, which helps reduce the risk for lenders and allows businesses to get lower interest rates. These loans can provide funding of up to $5 million, and they can be used for working capital, buying equipment, or expanding a business. Because they are government-backed, SBA loans usually offer long repayment terms and lower interest rates compared to many private lenders. The second option is the Action Opportunity Fund. This lender focuses on helping small businesses and entrepreneurs who may not qualify for traditional bank loans. Their business loans can start with interest rates around 8.49%, and loan amounts can go up to $250,000 depending on the business profile. Another advantage is that this organization often provides mentoring and educational support for entrepreneurs, which can be helpful for new startups. The third option is the National Funding. This lender offers working capital loans and equipment financing for small businesses, with funding amounts ranging from $5,000 up to $500,000. One of the biggest advantages is the speed of funding, since some businesses can receive their money within 24 hours after approval. This makes it a good option for startups that need quick access to capital. So in summary, 3 of the best business loans with relatively low interest for startups in 2026 include SBA 7A loans for long-term financing, Action Opportunity Fund for accessible startup funding, and National Funding for fast business capital. Choosing the right loan will depend on your credit score, business plan, and how much funding your startup needs, so it's always a good idea to compare lenders before applying. And that's it. If this video helped you learn about the best business loans for startups in 2026, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and business tips.